Hello, my name is Scott Heckert. I am the owner of Heckert's Appliance Service in Stanley, Virginia. I took Uncle Harry's course in about a year and a half ago, and I started working for myself. It has opened me up to be able to set my own schedule and make a lot happier life for me and my family. So it really improved my life. Right now, I make an average of about $250 a service call, and I get somewhere between 5 and 10 service calls a week. So it makes a good supplemental income since I'm already a retired military person. When I first started the course, I was like, I don't know if I can do this. It might be hard, and I decided to do it anyway. Well, it got a lot easier because when you need backup, Uncle Harry's got your back. You call, he answers. So don't be scared to take the class. Uncle Harry will help you through everything. Thank you, Harry.